Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you 3 useful commands in CMD about power options. The first command: if you want to put your PC in Hibernate mode but you can't find that in power options, then you can use an alternative way to do that. So open CMD or command prompt by pressing Windows key and R together. Then in run window type CMD and press enter. In this window you should type shutdown space /H. Press the enter key. Therefore your PC will go in a hibernate mode. If you want to shut down or power off your PC, for example, after 10 minutes, but you don't know the way of doing that, then you can type a command in CMD. Press Windows key and R together. Then type CMD in the run window. Then press enter. In CMD window, you should type shutdown space /F space /S space /T space 600. Then your PC will show you a message about shutting down your PC. But keep in your mind that the numbers are in seconds. For example, if you entered 60, then your PC will power off in 1 minute. Sometimes your PC is going to power off, but you didn't want, because some applications restart your PC after installing or after updating. Then you need to stop shutting down your PC. In this situation, you must open CMD immediately and type this command: shutdown space /A. Therefore, the shutdown will be aborted and will be cancelled. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. I'm Mahdi Hazara and this is Windows Technology Era.